Alright, Rob Frazier here. Wanted to cut a quick video why I joined Wealthy Affiliate and what I'm actually doing with Wealthy Affiliate, and I'm also going to document my journey with what I'm learning, how I'm applying it, different things like that. And this is just a part of my overall marketing strategy. If you're just coming across me online, name's Rob Frazier, spent 12 years in the Marine Corps, got out of the Marine Corps, got myself into 6 figures of debt, and got myself out of 6 figures of debt through affiliate marketing. So all of that being said, that if you just came across me on YouTube, this is the first video you've ever heard of mine. That's who I am. That's my claim to fame, if you will. So basically, Wealthy Affiliate I joined because of the training, period. Is it the absolute best training out there on the internet as far as affiliate marketing goes? I say it ranks up there in my humble opinion. Also, there is a free, you can create a free account here. You don't have to worry about paying anything. I highly suggest creating a free account and going through all of the lessons, and then at that point you can decide to go with the monthly. I think it's like $49 a month, and with that you get more in-depth and advanced training. I myself am at that monthly level, and that's the whole purpose of me just kind of documenting this. It does have a referral program, so if you sign up, my link is below. But all of that being said, there's a whole lot of information, a whole lot of courses online, how to do affiliate marketing, blah, blah, blah. And I've been through all of the courses, and a lot of it is fluff. They all talk about mindset, and you gotta have the right person, just a lot of crap. Rubber meets the road to make money online in affiliate marketing is simple. You have products you recommend that you're an affiliate for, and you have people to see your websites or your products or services or affiliate marketing businesses. It's really that simple. And it's about getting enough traffic, aka people, to see your programs, products, services. Period. End of story. There's so much. You have to do this, and you have to do that, and you have to build you have to build a list, and blah blah blah. Rubber meets the road. The only thing you have to really understand is that you have products, services, or BizOp type programs. I myself have making more money in the BizOp space, affiliate marketing BizOp space. But whatever it is, you have that vehicle which you make money, and the other part is getting enough people to see it so that a percentage of them buys. And everything else just stems from that. List building, creating an audience. One thing is what you'll learn with Wealthy Affiliate. How I made 6 figures in affiliate marketing was by increasing my traffic. A lot of people know me as the guy I keep saying, keep slamming traffic. That just means keep getting new people to see whatever it is you're promoting, basically. For whatever product, whatever service, you have it. Just for example, just think about a Starbucks or a McDonald's. You see them on every single corner in virtually every single city, and even now with everything going on in society, their drive-thrus are always jam-packed because they're everywhere. It's the same way online. You just have to get enough people to see your stuff, period. And there's efficient ways of doing that. Wealthy Affiliate teaches you how to build a website centered around blogging, how to do keyword research so you can start writing blogs and going after quote-unquote low-hanging fruit, and you'll find out as we go along here. But the whole idea is to create a website, which is super simple. I'm not a techie guy. I'm not a edity special, super sexy with the graphics guy. I am plain, simple, vanilla when it comes to this stuff. However, this is a website I've created through this process, applying all of their trainings and through Wealthy Affiliate. And this website is an asset that is online that will generate me traffic. The whole point, I made a lot of money in affiliate marketing by doing YouTube videos and buying solo ads and various other CPC traffic. Buying solo ads, buying, not CPC traffic, but media traffic, media buys, and putting out YouTube videos. The whole point of buying solo ads and putting out YouTube videos was to get new people to see my information. Same way I'm doing this video here. I'm trying not to make it too long, but I just want to stress, it is as simple as having stuff out there on the internet to attract people to get on your email list or to start following you that you recommend products or services or businesses to. And it's really just as simple. And you get efficient at doing that, that's when you'll start making money. So the whole purpose of Wealthy Affiliate, in which I tell people, is like, look, there's so many people in different MLMs and different affiliate marketing opportunities. I say, instead of just sitting there on Facebook posting about your opportunity and your special pills and your special drink and your special shakes and your special oils and your internet marketing training, why not start blogging about it, going after different types of keywords, which you'll learn how to use the keyword tool, which is one of the premier things in my opinion. You start going after different keywords, people will start finding you online who are interested already in what you're presenting. There's a gal I know who talks about essential oils. I say, why not blog about essential oils and start building a customer list? And you're not talking to people who are uninterested on Facebook. You're only talking to, you're meeting people right where they're looking for whatever it is you're offering. And you know, there's essential oils, there's ketones, there's dieting, there's internet marketing training. In my case, I'm doing 2 websites that I'm creating through here. The first one is Learn to Earn at Home, and the other one is Master the LOA. I haven't done a whole lot of work on that one yet, but the whole point is to create things online, to learn how to do keyword research, and then to just write blogs around those keywords that have low competition, that you can start ranking for, that you can start getting traffic for, that you can start creating some income from, and then a percentage of that income you can use for other things, such as creating more content or doing paid traffic, or taking all of this and talking about it on YouTube, so if that makes sense. So all of that being said, I'm going to start documenting my journey. You can create a Wealthy Affiliate link at the link below this video. You know, this right here is the back. I just wrote one post, you know, 217 views. There's some people I know I follow online. One guy has 3,000 views a day to his blog, and it's through answering different questions about what he does. And over time, that has more people coming to your website, and it's just a numbers game. If you had 3,000 people coming to your website, I'm sure a percentage of those people would become leads. So for example, here, my website, you just read my story, scroll down, and I'm advertising Wealthy Affiliate and also ClickFunnels Affiliate Bootcamp there. People can click on those, create free accounts, and also get on my email list. And the more articles I start to, you know, it's the same way I blew up on YouTube with different things. I just started answering questions and going after keywords. The low-hanging, low-competition keywords, I start gobbling them up. That builds up my traffic over time. This combined with my social media marketing, combined with my paid traffic strategy, I'm burning the candle at 3 different ends right there. So that being said, I'm going to document my journey as well. I am making money already in affiliate marketing, so the only thing I'm really going to talk about is just the amount of traffic I'm getting to my websites, and I'm going to just keep showcasing them on this channel as well. I might call this a Wealthy Affiliate series. I don't know, Wealthy Affiliate 101. This is why I joined Wealthy Affiliate. That being said, I'm going to pull up my other website here just so you can get an idea what it looks like. If my keyboard wants to work at some point today, which it doesn't. So give me 1 second here. I might edit this out of the video. I might just leave it in the video. Upload it on YouTube anyways. I guess I could just type it in. But here's my other website, Master of the LOA. I've been studying law of attraction for a while, but obviously I haven't done anything with the website yet. Going to be putting a few different ClickBank offers on here. There's a few other affiliate sites that I'm going to use, and then I'm also promote a program that I'm involved with here as well as my own different sales funnel when I build it. So if you want to follow along in this journey, highly suggest subscribing to the channel. But this right here is true affiliate marketing. BizOp type stuff, products, services, and that's really it. So that being said, name's Rob Frazier. If you want to check out my Learn Earn website, learntooearnathome.com, or mastertheloa.com, which I haven't done hardly anything with over there. You want to create a free account at Wealthy Affiliate, you can click the link below this video, create your free account, go through the training, and again, the keywords will not just help you with blogging, but they'll help you with your YouTubing. They'll help you with what I'm also doing Bing pay-per-click now, and that keyword tool helps me find different keywords to go after with my pay-per-click campaigns. So I have it all over the place. So the whole point is to have traffic coming in from all over the internet, and so I'm not stuck to any one thing. I don't have to be on Facebook all day if I don't want to. I could take I could take a week off of Facebook and still have traffic coming in through my YouTube, through my websites, and through my paid traffic, that I'm not stuck to any one thing. If my paid traffic goes away, then I got my blog. Then I got, you see what I'm saying? So that being said, name's Rob Frazier, the link is below. And if you join Wealthy Affiliate, reach out to me. I'm going to be creating some more content around this strategy, and you know, just laying out free affiliate marketing training. Name's Rob Frazier, link is below. We will see you in the next video.